Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sublimate on a coffee mug. Here I am, I have an 11-ounce coffee mug and I have my pictures here, guys. Guys, I create these images in Cricut Design Space and I print it out with my Eco, 270, something like that printer. I don't know on the top of my head, but anyways, I'm going to have that in this description listed below. So here we go. I remove my cup from the bag and I'm going to use my lint roller to make sure there's no lint or anything on this mug because I do not want anything to sublimate in the ink. Sublimation is a specific type of dye that goes in a specific type of material. So this is my sublimation mug. So we're just going to clean up the cup, the mug, and here we go. Guys, I only wanted to print one picture, but my printer was a printer and I resend it to the printer, so I end up with two pictures. So I'm like, what the heck? It's for my neighbor, it's her birthday, she watches Fiona. That's a picture of her and Fiona, and Fiona's a baby or a puppy. So here we go, we're gonna put that on. That's why it's not a wrap and it's two-piece. You can also do a wrap if you want. That's like if you're gonna do the whole mug, you could do a wrap. I did plan on doing the whole mug, so that's why I end up with two pieces. Anyways, here we go. I'm trying to trim up everything and make sure everything is level and everything looks nice. And I'm going to measure it on the mug on both sides and make sure it fits nicely. That's what I'm doing there, nothing but measuring. So here we go. We're going to put on our mug and we're going to hold it and pull it as tight as we can once we figure out where we want it. Now, once I do so, see I'm holding it tight and figure I'm going to use some heat transfer tape, guys. Heat transfer tape, that's what I'm using, those yellow tape or heat transfer tape. I'm going to use that to hold my image in place, and as I wrap it, just keep putting more tape and tape on top of tape and tape on top of tape, because when the heat does hit this, even though it's heat transfer, it lifts some of the tape. So you got to make sure you put enough tape on. Those 4 pieces, I just use that to hold it in place. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to re-tape it all over. You keep watching, you'll see. This is a very short tutorial. If you guys want to see how I create the design in Design Space, please go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section. Let me know. I will try my very, very best to see if I could do a tutorial on how I do so. Okay? As you guys can see, all I'm doing here, I am just going to go ahead and I'm going to tape my life away. Yes, guys, we're going to tape our life away. So tape, 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 tape. But while I'm doing so, if you're still here, I just want to take the time to say thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. If it's your first time here, I want to say welcome aboard. And I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you touch that notification bell so you'll be the first to see when I upload a video. Guys, please, also, it doesn't hurt. Please go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. I just want to say thank you for stopping by. And obviously, if you made it this far, you like what you see here. So why not become a part of the family of Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts? For my continuous supporters, I want to say thank you so much. It feels so good to be back here. Yes, guys, I know I haven't been posting. It's been months, but as you guys know, I am busy working, you know, doing my side hustle and doing all this stuff. You know, times do get up on you. YouTube, you know, it's a full-time job here. I already have, 2 full-time jobs. Now I'm down to 1, guys. Here we go. But I'm working so much hours, it's like working 2 full-time jobs. But I want to say it feels good to be back here. I'm going to try my very best to see if I could start posting more often. I have been making stuff and I've been doing stuff, but guess what, guys? Filming these videos, man, and making these videos and editing, it's a lot of work. So here we go. Enough of my story. Here goes my mug. It's all ready. It's all taped up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in our Cricut mug press. So here we go. I already heated up my mug press, and over here I'm going to try to show you guys here. See that green light? When you first turn your Cricut mug press on, that green light was orange, and when it turns green, it's telling you it's ready. So we'll put our mug in there, we close that down, and here we go. Now it turned red. That means our mug is ready. Now we take our mug out. I turn it off because it's only mug. Here we go. Now guys, this mug is super hot, so you got to be careful. So here you could either leave it to cool down or you could use something and try to peel it off. I've tried that before, and guess what? I scratched my image, so I had to redo it. So I left it to cool down, went to do something else. So now I'm here, and as you guys can see, I'm using my hands here and I'm peeling off the tape, and this is the most satisfying part. This is the best part. This is the part where your eager start to go up because you can't wait to see what's under those paper. I'm using the A-sub paper just in case you guys are wondering. Yes, guys, the A-sub paper. Don't ask me to comment. It's a short video. I'm saying it over and over. A-sub paper. That's what I'm using to print on my coffee mug. Alright, I'm going to also have that in the description box below. So here we go. If I don't get along to your comment, don't kill me, guys. I'll try my very best to answer as much comment as I can. So here we go. We're gonna reveal. Here we go, guys. Here we go. This is the best part ever, ever. Best spot ever, ever. Now, guys, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, and I'm so 3, and I'm so 4, and I'm so excited. Yay! Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Look how lovely that is. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? It's absolutely gorgeous. Don't mind my singing, you know, if you first time here, you come upon a crazy person here. Yes, for those who already watch me, they know that's how I am. But here we go. That is beautiful. And here is another show or clip of how it looks. I don't know, it's not the best, but here we go. I got something for you guys, and I'll put the information out there. You grips it. It looks nice. I love it. Not to mention, she is in love with it. She can't believe or said, how did you get it like this? I do. You know, it's yours. Happy birthday from Fiona and me to Aunt Gail. So here we go. Well, thank you guys. If you made it this far again, I'm going to be asking you again, guys. Hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, share it out to your friends and family so they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.